English Grade 3 Lesson 7. Read the price list. Pencil rupees 10. Blue pen rupees 50. Ruler rupees 30. Book rupees 100. A4 paper rupees 200. How much is a pencil? It is 10 rupees. How much is a pen? It is rupees. How much is a ruler? It is rupees. How much is a book? It is rupees. How much is an A4 paper? It is rupees. Food. Rice and curry. Pittu. Chickpeas. Green gram. Veggie roti. Complete the sentences. I like to eat veggie roti on Monday. I like to eat chickpeas on. I like to eat rice and curry on. I like to eat green gram on. I like to eat pittu on. What do you do? I clean the garden. I go to the market. I read books. I go to school. My food bag. Write A-O-N. Apple, banana, pineapple, orange, watermelon, papaya, mango, rambutan. Answers. An apple, a banana, a pineapple, an orange, a watermelon, a papaya, a mango, a rambutan. Like, don't like. I like bananas. I like papaya. I like mango. I don't like rambutan. I don't like pineapple.